Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to another Simple Sunny tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple house flicker. I'm going to hold it like this and I'm going to flick on this edge. So here we go. Oh, that's a really nice flicker. And next week, I'm going to show you how to make a version that has a chimney on it that I added here. And this one's a little bit different than this one, but they're both very similar though. I just added a chimney here. And so yeah, so this one I'll do a separate tutorial next week. So for that, click right here when that's available. Yeah, so this Sunday, I'm going to show you how to make this one without the chimney, so it's a little bit easier to fold, I think. And you can draw whatever you want on here. I drew trees, those are trees on the bottom. And I drew windows, the door, and everything. And here's what the back looks like on both of them. And alright, here we go. So let's learn how to make this one. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, but you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. And unfold, and fold in half to fold to the crease. Try to make precise folds and crease sharply. Okay, now let's pick a side, and we're going to airplane fold it. So take this edge and fold it to the middle. And repeat here. Okay, guess I'll zoom in a little bit. There you go. Alright, hold on, where was I? Oh yeah, okay. And rotate like this, and now we're gonna take, we're gonna take this edge and fold it up. And we're gonna fold it up beyond this edge. And this is really to eye, but about maybe like this is good. So you can look at it from the side right here. It's about that much is good. It's not really that important. Just do about that much. Okay. And now we're gonna take this point and fold it up right along that edge. Or maybe a little bit below it is good. About 1 millimeter. Like that. See? There's a little gap there. And repeat on this side. So I'm gonna fold it up a little bit further than that edge. About 1 millimeter. Okay, and now let's unfold. This is optional, but I like to hide these flaps by folding them inside. Like this. That's really not necessary. Okay. And now take this part and tuck it underneath these two flaps. Make sure those flaps are folded. Okay. Alright. Now here's the house taking shape, and to make it fly like a flicker, here's what we're going to do. So fold this edge up just a little bit like this. And rotate, and let's fold this up too. And here too. And I might as well do these two. Here, actually, before I do these two, I'm going to kind of just shorten these points here. That way there's no flaps sticking up. So just fold that like that, and then I'm going to tuck it inside. That way there's not as big of a flap sticking up, and it'll make it fly a little bit better, I think. And do it on this one too. Okay. And now I'm going to fold these edges up too. And pull this up just a tad, about like this. Okay. So there's the flicker complete, and now to make it fly just a little bit better, kind of give it a little bit of curvature like this. Just a little bit like this. And then if you, at this point, you can draw, whatever, you can draw windows or a door on if you want, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it like this. So there it is, the very simple house flicker. And as promised, I'll show you how to make the version with a chimney sticking up right here next week. So that video will be right here. Alright, let's see how this one flies. Alright, so to fly this thing, I'm just going to hold it like this, and I'm going to flick on this edge. So here we go. Oh, that's a really nice flicker. Okay, I'll do it a couple more times. Ooh. Okay, one more time. Oh yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna flick the one with the chimney, the one I'm gonna teach next week, next Sunday. Here we go. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna hold it like this and flick on this edge. So there's a chimney right there. I'm gonna flick it on here. Oh, did you see that? One more time. Whoa, that one actually goes up, like in the air. That's really cool. You know, I'm gonna do that one more time actually. Look at that again in slow-mo. Look at that again in slow-mo. Oh, and I want to show you one more thing. One more cool thing it does. And another cool thing about this model is that you can make it spin on the table. You just fold it in half a little bit like this, just lightly. And then make a little pinch mark in the middle there. Fold it in half like this. And just crease there. And then just make those at the same time. And then find a desk or table that's actually smooth like this. Not on a piece of, well, it might work on a piece of paper, but yeah. I'll do it on this book here. It's best to do it on something flat. Oh, might have to remake that crease again. Not working. There it goes, just like that. It's not really the best spinner in the world. There it goes, just like that. And it just flew off. Alright, so there it is. Well, I hope you guys were able to fold this, and make sure you subscribe. And like I said, I'll teach the chimney one next week. Alright, see you guys later.